Hey guys, Chad from Donley Ford here. As you can see, the sun's out. It's mid-February. That feels awesome. You know what feels awesome? Maybe going against the grain. Maybe not having a direction. Maybe you could say being a little bit rebellious. Well, if that's you, I have the perfect truck for you. 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel. Man, this thing looks great. All blacked out, aggressive wheels, super intimidating front end. Has a 5.7 HEMI, so this thing's going to look good and sound good tearing up some back roads. Top of that, Ram has some great technology. It has adjustable pedals, has a huge touchscreen, has heated seats and steering wheel. Also has a tonneau covered drop-in bed liner and has a step on the back bumper to help you get into the truck. So if you want to stick out, maybe be a little rebellious, go ahead and contact me today and discover the Donley difference.